How you going, Darcy?
Good.
Hey, it's pretty good, eh? Alright, let's go in for a bit of a swim.
Did you see those little fish with the... You can see right through them?
What was that? Dad, my tooth's getting wobbly.
Good. Hi. How you going, dude?
Snorkeling.
Okay, ready? Let's go for a snorkel.
How sick is this? It is awesome. It sucks. Yeah, I agree. It sucks as a language. It's so murky. Look at this. Oh. How cool is that? Like tiger fish. We'll go under soon.
Hello, everybody.
Bye!
How you going, Oscar? You want to go in for a snorkel in here? What do you think?
Are you going to?
No worries, thank you. What do you think?
Good.
You're crazy. How about you? Show us that smile. That's beautiful. Oh, that's a good smile. Retardo.
My smile. Take a picture of the retarded. The
Yeah, that's you.
retarded video.
It's on video. You're on video. You're a video star.
Everybody would be in the water. Oh gosh, everybody would be in the water.
You ready? Let's see you go.
I don't want to go in.
Go on, get up.
Oh.
I don't mine's busted. In you go. Go on, go swimming.
Can I come?
Yeah.